see, we're at Monasterevin station for our third visit. And here we have an OCR set on the going to Athlone. Just about to depart. There we go. The Athlone train is departing. Pretty quiet station this is. Now, for some reason, you actually don't know which number of platforms these are. And so you won't be able to know which one platform 1 or 2 is. So what a nice sunset here, actually, I have to say. And now if I'm to visit Monasterevin, this station, excuse me. Now, if I'm to visit Monasterevin station, I'm only to come here on Saturdays because there's no services here on Sunday. There's no services calling at this station on Sundays. And if you were to come here on Sundays, you'll notice that the gate that leads you into the station is closed, I believe. And right, I'll see you later.